we are. You get to see my face. Ignore all my knickknacks in the background. It's not important. I didn't think I'll be filming my face today. Get to show you how I set up my webcam motion capture screen. I saw a comment like a while ago. Someone was like, "How you can you make a tutorial how to set this up?" It's like, sure. This is how I use it. When you like download the program, you can like try for free, right? If you just want to test it out. But there's a big watermark. But I already have an account and I pay monthly, like a few bucks. You can see here's me, or here's my non-milestone outfit look. I mean, my usual look. I have it on here, the usual settings. If you've never seen, yeah, technically it's not like the thing I always stare at, because I can remove all the words, so I can just have a clear view of my face. But these are all the settings. I think this was like their default background stuff, right? And then you can pick a color, and we can get transparent. When I usually like pre-record stuff, right? So I just have myself on a blue screen, so I can just edit myself around. I didn't really change too much. Besides, I have it like a mirror, so it's like following me. Or it's not mirror. It's like if I look this way, it's like different, but I don't like that, so I just have a mirror. I have there's a lot of stuff you can just mess around with. I think I like adjusted it to do like my mouth shapes and stuff. It's a bit it's basic, but it's good enough for me. I don't have the fancy ones or whatever. I'm a simple person, just like, can I be a cute anime girl? There was a setting. To this. Can like enable. I can like wait, I'm not too close. Remember that thing when people were like doing like I forgot who started it, but it was like that lean trend or whatever. You can do that here, but I rarely put it on because it's like, oh, my hair gets in the way, and it's like, do I really need to lean? No, not really. So I just turn that off. So yeah, basically it's already set up to go. So when you do this. But I guess if you want either blue screen or color, whatever you want, you have to. I'm doing a bad tutorial about this. You go to whatever like recording software you have, and you add it to source. Alright, to get it properly set up, right? So you don't want to like just use your desktop as a source, because everything like keeps popping up. Say if you just do that, if you want to properly have it. I go to game capture, webcam receiver, and ta-da! Here's another one of me. So yeah, this is how you properly do it instead of doing the desktop. But I usually do if I want to record something. So yeah, ta-da! Here's me in the blue screen. You can put stuff behind me and stuff. So yeah, and that is how I set up my program to do VTubing stuff. Hope this helps whoever needs this tutorial.